Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 1, 2023, 5-star Sudoku. 5th grade, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in any one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 5th row and 6th row, column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 1st grid and 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 5th row and 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. Column D and 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column I and 3rd row, we have pair numbers 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column F, 3rd row and 2nd row, we have pair numbers 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We'll confirm later. 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. Then 8 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 3rd grid, column F, column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 2nd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then 1st grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column C, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then the 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. To confirm later. Then 2nd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 8. Column G, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. Column F, we will have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 4th grade, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. It will confirm later. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column H, column I, 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column F, 4 numbers are remaining, 5, 9, 2, 3. 9th row, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. It will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. It will confirm later. The 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row, column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 6th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then column J, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 10th row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. The 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 2nd grade, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.